Alright, my people, and welcome back onto this channel. No be small something, no? Still on the matter, my brother, my sister, Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly waiting to be, exactly waiting the people them they talk about. My brother, my sister, you don't reach that level. What you want to do, Bayi? You don't reach the stage where we say everybody now don't hear ram. In fact, Oju everybody tibo. Oju everybody tibo by. Come August 1st, that is what everybody is now waiting for. Now, with waiting all these people then they talk about to say, the presido, he go regret to say him become president. Say he go regret that action. Say why he can't carry himself say he won't become president of this country, because the people now say this one will be saying if they come up. This protest will be say if they come up, this one it go worse pass the answers. Now everybody don't wake up. This man come outside not quite long. This one whether they call Dele Farotimi. Now he don't accuse the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu of stealing the presidency from Nigerians in the middle of the night. Now everybody will be say, then they pretend about the whole thing. They don't come outside one after the other now. They don't come, they open up and say, like this, so we know if we continue like this. The lewama jiyaka de wama sokbode da now. Gbogbo ẹ kò sí tó wà òkè fún wa báyé wáyé láyé a gbọ́dọ̀ jáde ìyà yìí ti pọ̀jù. Yorùbá nation nìkan ló lè ṣe bí wọ́n fẹ́ bí wọ́n kọ̀. Yoruba nation nìkan ni ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Now all the strong politicians them, everybody they don't come outside, they talk and say like this, so we don't want this man again, we don't tire. Fine. They talk about this protest. We don't talk our own. Nothing concern we Yoruba nation agitators with una protest. We don't talk and say like this will make them divide this country. Pẹ̀lú yìí o ká láfíà lè jọba nǹkan tá ń pariwo nìyẹn, but make una dey say wetin dem dey sup. Ojú everybody ti ń bó báyìí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni a ti sọ tẹ́lẹ̀ pé ẹnìkan ló mọ̀ ó máa kan everybody ní láìpẹ́. Ẹ ṣáà jẹ́ ká máa lọ wá kí gbogbo ẹ lè dá. According to Dele Farotimi, he accuses Tinubu of stealing the presidency from Nigerians in the middle of the night. And many people don't they talk and say, some people they talk say, na shocking this thing. Waiting up, there's nothing like shocking. This one will be shocking. Now the fact we don't see, shock everybody because everybody know waiting there from beginning. Chief Sunday will come outside. All the Yoruba nation agitators will shout them, say like this, so make una no vote for any politician. Though some people say na Dupe Dagboru, na him deceive all of us. Now we be say it don't happen. It's not too late. People they buy every day on a daily basis. Àwọn èèyàn ń pa àwọn èèyàn ń kú lọ́tùn, wọ́n ń kú lósì. Ẹ wá ní ká tún calm down. Àwọn èèyàn lè calm down mọ́ everybody say most of àwọn èèyàn gan ti pa bàbá àwọn nǹkan, wọ́n ti pa àwọn ìyá àwọn ìlòmíì, wọ́n ti jí wọn gbé, gbogbo àwọn tó ń parí pé káàtì ẹ̀ máa wò pé bí àwọn since yẹ pé ọmọ wa ti ṣèdí bẹ̀bẹ̀ rẹ̀ tàdé ti filẹ̀kẹ̀ sí di àwọn ọmọ yẹn kò sí wàhálà ká máa wo bó ṣe fẹ́ lọ. But now everybody ti wá bósìn pé lẹ́yìn tí ọmọ wa ṣèdí bẹ̀bẹ̀ rẹ̀ tá filẹ̀kẹ̀ sí at the end of the day kí ló wá ń ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí. Bọ́n ṣe ń pa àwọn èèyàn lọ́tún ni wọ́n pa àwọn èèyàn lọ́sì. In fact àwọn èèyàn ti jáde síta, wọ́n ti túyàyà pé bó ṣe ń lọ yìí ó tiẹ̀ ti sú wa ni àfẹ́ anything more than Yoruba nation la fẹ́ o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni bẹ́ẹ̀ fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ̀ ẹ fún wa Yoruba nation wa. Now everybody they come outside they talk say come 1st of August say this man will call himself Jagaban. Saying go regret in life, say him be politician for in life. Now all these protests where they talk about, my brother, my sister, na she not for the protests, na for the country to better, or na for them to divide the country. We they watch, we they see, and then now everybody done they shout and say like this, so Baba Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he sure say this regime, this presidency no be for you, because the way people they suffer, you don't pass, be careful. This man wey they call a very dark man, upon say they don't jail that guy many times. The guy say now enough is enough. Himself don't come outside. He say enough is enough. Say this time around we must take the ball by the horn. Yes, we know they play again. We know they sleep again. No? Yes, as it be like this, I gbọ́dọ̀ face here. I gbọ́dọ̀ gba òmìnira wa. Protest gbọ́dọ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀. Yes, so my brother, my sister, this one no be small something. And now everybody now don't they come outside, they speak out. You know, say before many people they pretend say okay, e be like say e go better. Ó dàbò máa dá, ẹ jẹ́ ká wò kọ́ tí bàbá wa fẹ́ ṣe. Nísìn ebi tí ń yọ ojú ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ènìyàn. Ṣèbí tẹ́lẹ̀ làwọn kan pariwo pé àrílégbè àwọn èèyàn ti ẹ̀ pariwo bí táwọn tẹ̀ fẹ́ sùn báyìí. Bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé under bridge làwọn èèyàn ń sùn, kán ṣàti oúnjẹ jẹ, kò tiẹ̀ wá sí oúnjẹ ni. Ṣebí wọ́n ní ebi ò ní pani kọ́rọ̀ mi wọ́n àbí nǹkan tá à ń sọ nìyẹn. There is no shocking anything, even saying shocking. We knew the truth, but we will not speak for the no spirit of fear. Now wetin Bama don talk be that this man talk say make everybody just come outside, make we no fear. Ẹ má bẹ̀rù, ẹ láhùn, a fẹ́ lọ ń lọ wa, Yoruba nation ló lè ṣe, kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe lè pariwo títí àwa náà ti sọ láti lẹ̀ pé one Nigeria will take no man anywhere. My brother, my sister, we don talk this thing before, we go still talk am again. Anybody wey still dey shout regional government, àwọn Afẹ́nifẹ́re tó ń pariwo regional government, a ti sọ fún yín, àwọn ò nídìí gbogbo eléyìí. Nǹkan táwa fẹ́ ni pé ká máa kóníkálùkù máa lọ ń lọ ẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o, ẹ pín ìlú yìí kálàáfíà kó lè jọba. Yoruba nation is the only solution, either they like am or not. Now, many people don come outside now say like this we need to wake up, that this is not the time for us to dey patch things. Lè lajú wálẹ̀ kí tàlùbọ̀ kó máa kó wọ́n náà. Kò ṣeé ṣe. This is not the time for us to the patch things. So everybody, let us come together, wake up and do the needful. Either them like am or not. Àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá a gbọ́dọ̀ gba òmìnira wa. Òmìnira wa ti dé tán. Àfi tó pé a kàn ń tanra wa lókù. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Àfi tó jẹ́ pé à ń tanra wa lókù. Òmìnira ti dé tán. Olóyè Sunday Igboho ìbáyín 1 billion. Professor Banji Akintoye ìbáyín 1 billion. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń jà fún ìjàngbara orílẹ̀-èdè Yorùbá ìbáyín 1 billion. Àsìkò ti wá tó báyìí o, kí gbogbo wa ká pẹnu pọ̀. Àwọn kan pariwo pé protest làwọn fẹ́ ṣe. Àwa dẹ̀ ti mọ̀ pé òótọ́ ọbẹ̀ ni wípé kí wọ́n pẹ̀lú yìí kó ní kálukú máa lọ tí wọn. Àbí 3 complete 100 years na 100. In fact ọdún mẹ́wàá tuntun gorí ẹ̀. So ta ló wá ń tanra wọn? Who is the saving who? My brother, my sister. Yoruba nation is the only solution, either they like am or not. Alright, until I come your way next time, my brother, my sister. If this one now your first time wey be say you dey join us for this channel, I beg you, make it try your best to make it subscribe, make it like it, make it share, make it for go viral. Until I come your way next time, I say on a bye for now.